Hi friends, now we have Lenovo IdeaPad S145 laptop. In the laptop there is a problem with the HDD. Because of this we are going to upgrade it to SSD. I will show you how to upgrade the SSD from HDD. First you remove all the screws here one by one. Like this you need to remove. After this smoothly need to be open the panel. Yes, the panel has been opened. Now this is the HDD, 1 TB HDD is there. We will replace it to SSD. Okay, first you remove the screws here, hard disk screws. Two screws is there, need to remove one by one. Then simply open it and slide this. You need to remove two screws here, battery and hard disk, both the screws has been removed. Like this need to remove, and then install SSD here. Remove the four screws of the HDD. Take this HDD and fix this SSD here, and then screws. Then install again, same type. As the SSD has been installed. This is the battery. Okay, now we will fix the panel. One of the screws has been left. Need to be find out where it was the screws before. Here the screw has been loosed because of this screen was removed. So this fix the panel. That's it. Okay. Thank you.